My name is Autumn Butler Hicks. I'm from Cary, North Carolina. I'm excited to share a demo of my final project for Harvard's CS50P course. I'm a food brand founder and my background is in restaurant management. So I want to create a tool that'd be useful for real world applications. This is a restaurant management scorecard. It's a Python-based tool designed to help restaurant managers monitor key performance metrics and improve operations. Let's get started. So we're going to run this right here. So it's going to welcome the user, a welcome message will pop up, and it's going to prompt the user to enter four values, four metrics to evaluate here. We're going to enter our weekly sales, labor costs, food costs, and then customer reviews. And then it's going to provide actionable recommendation based on industry benchmarks. So here, we're just going to test it out. We're going to enter 8,000. All right, here we go. All right, our labor costs are going to be 2,800. And you see it doesn't matter how you enter the data. So say you have a large order, your food costs are going to be 4,300 this week. And then our average review score, this is going to be between 1 and 5. So for Google or Uber Eats or DoorDash, those things. So we're going to we did a 4.7 this week. So we're going to hit enter, and here's our metric scorecard. It's going to capture the date using date time. It's going to return the values. So our sales, our labor costs, our food costs, and then average reviews. So in here, it's going to provide an evaluation and feedback with color coding. So I use Colorama for that. So here, great job. We've met our sales goal. Our labor costs are 28.35% of sales. Great job. Food costs are high at 43.55% of sales. Reduce waste and negotiate better supplier prices. And the average rating is below the benchmark at 4.7. Gather feedback from customers to improve. This data was saved successfully to a CSV file. That is something I wanted to add so we would be able to look at this data later and, perhaps add more functionality in the future. So let's look at the code here. When I started this project, it was function-based script. As I gained more practice doing the other projects in this course, I started using an object-oriented design to encapsulate the functionality more effectively. So this includes two classes. The first is the metric class here. Right here, it has a getter and a setter for each of the individual objects. So our sales, labor costs, and food costs, average reviews. There's two static methods here. These are to clean data and error handling. So if someone doesn't add a value or add something that's not a number here, it's going to error handle here. And then we have our second class, which is the metric scorecard. It builds onto the metric class, so it organizes the data hierarchy. So we added metric here. And then it's going to process and print the result, and then it stores the output by appending it to a CSV file. So here it's going to return, and then it's going to print the metrics evaluation. And then it's going to store the data right here. It's going to append it to a CSV file. Yep, right here. So I learned a lot during this project. There are a lot of opportunities to expand something like this further. I would love to do a simple dashboard so we could visualize this data, or even integrate a trend analysis. So, checking to see what our trends are each week. The project was a great way to showcase skills in Harvard's CS50P course. Thank you for watching the demo.